Every embroidery project is special in its own way, but some projects mean just a little bit more. The ones created for the biggest of days. Whether you're creating from scratch or getting inspired by our extensive stitch and design library, Baby Lock's new line of embroidery and sewing machines have the tools you need to make memorable projects for those memorable days. The new IQ Intuition Positioning app makes sure your design is exactly where you want it, how you want it, for perfect placement every time. Because nothing should stand between you and how you create. IQ Designer captures your own designs and makes them ready to embroider. Explore limitless color combinations with Color Visualizer. Decorative stitches make everyday items extraordinary. Built-in designs and fonts provide those personal touches. The large hoop size ensures that nothing slows you down. At Baby Lock, we know you put your heart into the projects that matter, and that's why we want to ensure you have the perfect embroidery and sewing machine to make those projects easier to create than ever. Baby Lock Embroidery and Sewing. What memories will you create?